In a rapidly evolving world, industries face the pressing challenge of keeping pace with technological advancements. Businesses grapple with inefficiencies, high operational costs, and the need for smarter decision making. But what if there was a way to transform these challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation? Enter OnPassive, a pioneering AI-driven technology company. OnPassive's AI digital solutions are redefining the landscape of business efficiency and innovation. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can reclaim valuable time and resources, paving the way for enhanced productivity. Imagine a world where AI tools seamlessly handle mundane operations, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters: innovation and growth. But the benefits don't stop there. With AI-driven insights, organizations can make data-informed decisions that significantly improve outcomes while reducing risks. Whether it's optimizing supply chains or tailoring customer experiences, OnPassive provides the clarity needed for smart decision-making. Cost savings are another compelling advantage. By streamlining processes through automation, businesses can reduce operational expenses, ultimately boosting their bottom line. OnPassive's impact extends across various sectors. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostics and patient management systems enhance care delivery and health outcomes. The education sector sees transformation through personalized learning experiences facilitated by AI-driven platforms. And in retail and e-commerce, intelligent marketing tools anticipate customer needs, improving satisfaction and loyalty. Global accessibility is at the heart of OnPassive's mission. By democratizing access to advanced AI tools, small and medium-sized enterprises are empowered to compete with industry giants, leveling the playing field. Furthermore, AI-driven collaboration tools facilitate seamless communication for remote teams, making distance irrelevant in a globalized world. As we bridge the gap between technological potential and real-world application, OnPassive stands as a beacon of innovation and opportunity. Join us in this exciting journey, where every challenge is met with a solution, and every solution paves the way for a brighter, more efficient future. OnPassive, empowering your business to achieve more. Welcome to the world of OnPassive AI solutions, where technology meets transformation. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, AI is not just a tool, but a catalyst for change. Let's explore how OnPassive AI is reshaping industries, enhancing lives, and paving the way for a better future. Imagine a world where your preferences are seamlessly integrated into the products and services you use every day. OnPassive AI solutions tailor experiences to individual needs, boosting user satisfaction and engagement like never before. In our quest for sustainability, AI plays a pivotal role in environmental conservation. By optimizing energy use and reducing waste, AI-driven solutions contribute significantly to a greener planet. From smarter cities with improved urban planning and traffic management to enhanced energy efficiency, AI is redefining how we interact with our environment. The fear of job loss due to automation is real, but with OnPassive AI, the narrative shifts. While some roles may evolve, AI opens doors to new opportunities in development, deployment, and management. Our platforms offer training programs designed to upskill workers, ensuring they are equipped to thrive in an AI-driven economy. In the realm of cybersecurity, OnPassive AI stands as a vigilant guardian. With real-time threat detection and mitigation, our solutions safeguard personal and organizational data, fortifying the digital landscape against ever-evolving cyber threats. For entrepreneurs, OnPassive AI is a launchpad. Our affordable and effective tools empower startups to scale their businesses efficiently. The power of AI extends beyond borders. Our AI-driven communication tools enhance global collaboration, addressing challenges such as climate change, public health, and economic inequality. By integrating AI into everyday processes, OnPassive is committed to creating a more connected, efficient, and equitable world. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The promise of AI can only be realized by addressing crucial challenges like ethical AI use, data privacy, and digital inclusivity. Join us on this journey as we harness the potential of AI to create a future that benefits everyone. OnPassive AI solutions, driving positive change, one innovation at a time.